Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to solve a scrambled Rubik's Cube into a solved Rubik's Cube. But before we start, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Alright, now let's get into the video. Enjoy! First you go into a search engine and then search Rubik's Cube solver. You have to spell it with an X at the end instead of a K and S. Otherwise, the website won't pop up. Then you scroll down until you find a website that looks like this. Alright, now you click on this website and then it should bring you to this page. You press on solve and then on the bottom it says online solver. You press on that and then it should bring you to this page. Once you've reached here, you can see a displayed Rubik's Cube right here. So what you need to do on this step is you color that Rubik's Cube exactly how the scrambled Rubik's Cube is. Make sure you use the arrow to color the Rubik's Cube all over. Now you press solve. If it gives you a message like this, check that it's properly colored everywhere, because you might have made a mistake, like how I did here. Then once you press solve, it will give you to this page. Now it shows that the Rubik's Cube is on a different angle, so make sure you find the angle that the Rubik's Cube is showing, then press play, the middle button. Alright, so I think right now I'm finding the angle of which my Rubik's Cube has been set. Alright, once you've done that, you press the middle button, the play button. Once you've pressed play, you grab your Rubik's Cube and follow how it solves the scrambled Rubik's Cube, like this.
1, 2.
If you miss a step while you solve the Rubik's Cube, don't be frustrated. There is a go back by one move button on screen, and you can press that to replay the move that you missed.
See guys?
And there you have it, a solved Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe and press the like button. Bye.